Hello, dear students, good morning. Students, let's start reading the next part of this chapter. We had read the chapter up to the last word, reach, in the last lecture. Perhaps there were also people, exotic, interesting, people of whom he never spoke. It was possible, though he was quiet and didn't make many friends easily. Where was Sophie sitting when she spoke these words? Sophie was sitting by her brother Geoff. By means by the side beside her brother Geoff in his room. So while sitting beside her elder brother Geoff, Sophie found herself again in such kinds of fantasies, and she found herself in such kind of imaginary world. Perhaps there were also people. She started thinking about those people, okay, who had been totally unknown to her, who were not fully known to her, but who had been totally unknown to her. So while thinking about the people living in the outer world, okay, she kept thinking that the people, okay, who were really so interesting, who were really so unusual type of people. Exotic means unusual type of people, strange people, people of whom he never spoke, but her brother never spoke any word regarding those old people of the outer world. It was possible, though he was quiet and didn't make any friends easily. She also thought that it could be most probable that her brother Geoff did not speak any word about the people of the outer world because he did not want to make friends with them. That's why he always remained silent. Perhaps there were also people exotic, interesting. हिंदी में देखो, शायद बाहरी दुनिया में इस प्रकार के भी बहुत सारे लोग रहे होंगे या रहते हैं, जड़े अजीब किस्म के लोग, अनजान किस्म के लोग, बड़े रुचिकर लोग, जिन लोगों के साथ में कभी मेरे भाई ने बातचीत नहीं की. इट वॉज पॉसिबल दो, वो कहते यद्यपि ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि वह हमेशा शांत रहता है और वह नए दोस्त नहीं बनाना चाहता है. वो शायद आसानी से नए दोस्त नहीं बनाना चाहता है. She longed to know them. Longed means wished. She greatly wished. Sophie had a strong wish, desire in her heart to make friendship with those old people whom she herself did not know anything. जिन लोगों के बारे में वो खुद भी कुछ नहीं जानती थी ना, उन सभी लोगों के बारे में पहले तो उसने अपने भाई के बारे में कुछ कहा कि मेरा भाई उन सभी लोगों के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता है जो लोग हमारे आसपास के इलाके में रहते हैं, ठीक है, साथ में लगते हुए जितने भी हमारे अपने शहर के साथ में लगते हुए जो सीमाएँ हैं, उन शहरों के, उन गाँवों के लोगों के बारे में उसको कुछ पता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि कभी वो बोलता ही नहीं है, वह तो शांत रहता है. लेकिन अब उसने अपने मन में ऐसी इच्छा जाहिर की कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं उन लोगों से मुलाकात करके आऊँ. देखो यहाँ पर यही है, she longed to know them while taking such kinds of wild ideas in her mind. Okay, she also had a great wish in her mind to know about the nature and behavior, to meet those all kinds of people who, okay, used to live in different parts of the adjoining areas, साथ में लगते हुए क्षेत्रों के विभिन्न हिस्सों में जो लोग रह रहे थे, उन सभी लोगों से मुलाकात करना चाहती थी. Okay, she wished she could be admitted. She also thought so that she would be admitted means she would be greeted, she would be received, she would be welcomed more deeply in. She wished she could be admitted more deeply into her brother's affections. Firstly, she thought that she could easily win the confidence of her brother Geoff. Firstly, she thought that she could easily win the confidence or hurt the. She could easily win the confidence or she could easily please the heart of her brother Geoff. Persuade him. Persuade में राजी करना होता है. देखो, उसने ऐसी इच्छा जाहिर की वहाँ बैठे बैठे कि she could be admitted more deeply into her brother's affections, कि मेरा भाई मुझे अपने लाड़ प्यार में बहुत आसानी से, बहुत जल्दी से ले सकता है, अर्थात मेरे प्रति बहुत ज़्यादा खुल करके और मेरी इच्छाओं के मुताबिक काम करने के लिए अपने आप को तैयार कर सकता है. एंड दैट समडे ही माइट टेक हर विद हिम. नाउ द पिक्चर हैज क्लियर हियर. Okay, now and that someday stands for on any day in future, on some day in future. The day is not fixed here. हिंदी में होता है किसी दिन, कुछ दिन नहीं. And that someday he might take her with him. She also wished that if she requested her brother Geoff to take her outside to take her out in the outside world, he could get herself agreed and might take her to those all places where she wanted to go. उसने मन में ऐसी इच्छा जाहिर की कि मेरे भाई को मैं बहुत अच्छे ढंग से मना सकती हूँ और मनाने के बाद में मुझे किसी एक दिन अपने साथ बाहर ले जा भी सकता है. Though their father forbade it, Sophie also took an idea regarding her father, thinking that her father would not allow her to go outside their home. Forbid में मना करना होता है, prevent somebody, stop somebody to do something. And Geoff had never expressed an opinion. She also thought that when father would forbid her, first form. She also thought that when her father would forbid her, would deny her, refuse her going outside the home to wander here and there in the outer world, in the countryside area, her brother Geoff would also say him nothing. And he would also remain quite silent. देखो ये बात क्लियर हो रही बेटा. दो देयर फादर फॉरवेड इट, यद्यपि हमारे अपने पिताजी इस बात को लेकर हमें रोकेंगे, मना करेंगे कि नहीं जाना आपको कहीं भी. एंड जॉफ हैड नेवर एक्सप्रेस्ड एन ओपिनियन, और जॉफ जो है वो कभी भी अपना कोई विचार जो है ना व्यक्त नहीं करेगा मेरे पिताजी के सामने, हमारे पिताजी सामने ये नहीं कहेगा कि भाई नहीं पिताजी चलो बहन का मन हो रहा है कहीं बाहर घूमने के लिए तो मैं इसको लेकर के चला जाता हूँ, फिर ले आता हूँ. ओके. She knew he thought her too young. She also knew it very well that in the opinion of her elder brother Geoff, she was very young child. Young stands for she was a very little and she was a very little child. She was merely baby. वो ये भी जानती थी कि शायद मेरा भाई ये सोचता होगा कि मैं अभी बहुत छोटी उम्र में, इसलिए मुझे बाहर अभी घूमने फिरने के लिए नहीं निकलना चाहिए. And she was impatient. And when he thought of her in such a way, she would really get so much impatient. She would be so much angry, क्योंकि वो कहती कि जब मेरा भाई मेरे बारे में इस प्रकार से कभी सोचेगा तो मुझे बड़ा गुस्सा आएगा, मैं उसको सुन नहीं पाऊंगी इस तरह की बात को लेकर के. She was conscious of a vast world out there waiting for her. Then she would say her brother that she was well known to those all places in the outer world which were waiting for her so eagerly. वह उन सभी स्थानों के बारे में मैं उसको अपने भाई को कहूँगी जब वो मुझे ये कहेगा ना कि नहीं अभी तो आपकी उम्र बहुत छोटी है, आपको कहाँ मैं बाहर लेकर के जाऊँगा, अभी आपको नहीं जाना चाहिए, आपको अभी मैच्योरिटी लेवल आपका थोड़ा बहुत निचले स्तर का है, अभी इसको आप और बढ़ाएं. जब इस प्रकार की बातें मेरा भाई मेरे साथ करेगा तो मुझे गुस्सा आएगा और मैं अपने भाई से कहूँगी कि नहीं भैया मुझे उस पूरी दुनियादारी के बारे में सब कुछ पता है, मैं पूरे इलाके के बारे में सब कुछ जानती हूँ, जो इलाका मेरे आने का इंतज़ार कर रहा है. मैं चाहती हूँ कि वे लोग मेरे से मुलाकात करें, मैं उनसे मुलाकात करूँ। एंड सी न्यू instinctively means stands for here quite clearly. Okay, instinctively means visibly, quite clearly. And she knew very clearly, she knew it very well, she knew it undoubtedly, that she would feel as at home there as in the city which had always been her home. As soon as she entered the outer world, she would feel that she was staying at her home, not at some other place. And there she would also speak to the people quite frankly, and she would not get sighed, she would not get herself fully sad and depressed. Okay, वो इस प्रकार की बातें वो अपने दिमाग में सोच रही है कि मेरा भाई यदि मुझे इस प्रकार से कहेगा तो मैं उसको बताऊंगी कि नहीं, मैं पूरे दुनिया के लोगों के बारे में, बाहर के सभी लोगों के बारे में बहुत अच्छे ढंग से जानती हूँ, परिचित हूँ मैं उनके बारे में, और वे लोग मेरे आने का इंतज़ार कर रहे होंगे। और मैं भली बात इस बात को भी जानती हूँ कि किस प्रकार से मुझे वहाँ उन लोगों के साथ में बातचीत करनी, क्योंकि शी वुड फील एज एट होम देयर एज इन द सिटी विच हैड ऑलवेज बीन हर होम. She would not get sighed there while meeting the people in the city. Okay, she would feel that she was staying at home, not any other place. वो ऐसा सोचेगी जैसे कि मैं घर पर ही रुकी हूँ, कहीं दूसरे स्थान पर नहीं रुकी हूँ, इस प्रकार से, और उसको ऐसा महसूस होगा। ऐसा सोफी ने अपने दिमाग में ये सब बातें सोच रही हैं। Job was completely busy in his tasks, in repairing, in servicing the parts of his motorcycle. On the other hand, I mean to say, while at the same moment, Sophie was dreaming of such kind of world, and she was thinking about those all things which were totally beyond her reach, which were totally beyond her which were totally beyond her reach. Okay, it expectantly awaited her arrival. The word "it" stands for the people of the outer world. That the world of unusual type of people, strange kind of people, had been waiting for her arrival so eagerly, so hopefully. Expectantly means beta hopefully hota hai, hopefully. She saw herself riding there behind Job. She also, so stands for imagined. Here word so means देखना नहीं है, imagined के लिए है. She also imagined, okay, that she was riding there behind her brother Job on his bike. He wore new shining black leathers. She also imagined that on that particular day her brother Job would be wearing a new kind of dress, shining black leather coat, and a very beautiful dress also, and see a yellow dress with a kind of cape. The word cape stands for a loose garment without sleeves that flew out behind. And she also imagined it that she on that day she would be wearing a very beautiful dress in yellow color, okay, with a cap, with a loose fitting cloth, and that the cap would be moving here and there, okay, would be moving here and there when she was riding on the bike of her brother. इस प्रकार की बातें that flew out behind, वो कहते हैं कि इस प्रकार से जो मैं अपनी पीली पोशाक पहन करके अपने भाई के साथ में, और जब इस प्रकार से मैं उस यात्रा पर निकलूंगी, तो कहता है कि उस प्रकार से मेरी अपने भाई के साथ जब इस प्रकार से यात्रा करने के लिए निकलूंगी तो मुझे वास्तव में बहुत ज़्यादा. There was the sound of applause as the world rose to greet them. At that time Sophie also imagined so that when she got there to meet the people in the outer world, they would also welcome her clapping loudly. Applause stands for clapping. There would be great sound of unstoppable sound of clapping as the people of the outer world, okay, would stand to greet them. Them stands for Sophie and her brother Geoff. So while sitting beside her brother in his room, Sophie was completely lost in such kinds of imaginations. Firstly, she thought that her brother Geoff did not know anything about the nature and behavior of the people living in the outer world, since he never wanted to make friendship with them. He always remained silent. But simultaneously, at the same time, she also took an idea in her mind that she also liked to meet she always liked to meet those old people, and she wanted to know about their nature and behavior, since she thought that she was a very frank girl, and she wanted to spend some moments with the people of the outer world. Then she again turned herself into some other different kind of imagination, fascination, and she took such kinds of ideas, words, that she could easily win the confidence of her brother. She could persuade, राजी करना होता है, get agree. She could get her brother totally agreed to her proposal. Okay, and he would not deny her, but her father would surely forbid them to go on any trip. But at that time, her brother Geoff would also remain quite silent. But anyhow, because he would think that she was not a very fully matured girl, and she was still a little child. She did not know about the nature and behavior of the people living in the outer world. But anyhow, she would get himself ready, and on some day in future, she would like to go with her brother riding on his bike. Okay, at that time her brother would be fully clad, okay, in some beautiful dress and clothes in leathers, okay, leather coat, wearing a leather coat and some nice and very beautiful dress, okay, wearing a very beautiful dress with a leather coat, and she would also be clad in a yellow dress with a loose fitting clothes that would be flying here and there out in the air while riding on the bike. Such kinds of imagination were taken by her, and lastly she thought that when they reached very near to those old people, they would stand together to welcome them, and also receive them, and also welcome them by clapping loudly. Okay, and it would be really the most happiest day of her life. Such kinds of thoughts had been taken by Sophie while spending some moments with her brother Geoff in his room. He sat frowning. The word frown stands for look angry. He sat frowning at the oily component, a kind of spare part which was already dipped into some oil, so that the oily component was in the hand of Geoff, and he was looking at that oily component which he had held in his hand quite angrily. He cradled in his hands, and that the oily component was being cradled, was being swung here and there, was being cradled by Geoff here and there, as if it were. Whenever we find the use of this, the conjunction as though or as if, we always use the helping or verb with the subject, whether it is singular or plural. As though it were a small dumb animal. Okay, considering it that the oily component was not a spare part, was not a component, but it was a small dumb animal, speechless animal, and he was willing it to speak, and he was also trying to speak to that oily component. यानी कि किसी एक अपने उस तेल में डूबे हुए उस पेच को, तेल में डूबा हुआ कोई उसका अपना स्पेयर पार्ट जो था, उस कलपुर्जे को अपने हाथ में लेकर के उसकी तरफ लगातार अपने माथे में त्योरियाँ चढ़ा करके गुस्से की नज़रों से उसकी तरफ देख रहा था, उसको बार बार अपने हाथ में उछाल रहा था। ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कि मानो वह उसके साथ उसको एक छोटा सा मूक जो है ना जानवर समझ रहा हो और उसको झुला रहा हो अपने हाथ में और उसके साथ खेलने का प्रयास कर रहा हो, उसको बोलने का मन कर रहा हो भाई तुम किस प्रकार से कैसे ख़राब हो गए, या कोई कलपुर्जा ख़राब हो गया उसको साफ़ कर लिया गया होगा उसको मोटरसाइकिल में लगाने के लिए। इस प्रकार की कुछ एक्टिविटी उस जॉब के द्वारा होने लग रही थी। I met Danny Casey, Sophie said. Meanwhile, Sophie spoke to her brother, saying that she had met Danny Casey. Danny Casey, okay, a well-known name, a young Irish footballer. Okay, he looked around abruptly. Abruptly means very actively. When Sophie spoke the words that she had met Danny Casey, Geoff got highly alarmed, surprised, and he looked all around him quite actively, okay, asking where Danny Casey was. Where she had met Danny Casey, where she had met Danny Casey. In the arcade. The word arcade stands for here. A passage or a place which is covered by, okay, the densely built buildings, shops, roofs और long branches of trees. यानी कि कोई ऐसा कोई स्थान जिस स्थान के चारों तरफ से उसको बहुत ऊंची ऊंची इमारतों से घेर लिया गया हो, उसके ऊपर छाया से बन गई हो और उसके अंदर ऐसा लग रहा हो जैसे कि कहीं हम किसी छत्ते के अंदर प्रवेश कर गए हैं, इस गुफा द्वार में आ गए, इस प्रकार से वो आर्केड। तो यहाँ किसी एक मार्केट के लिए बोला उसने। देखो, इन द आर्केड फनीली इनफ इन द डेंसली क्राउडेड मार्केट फील्ड विद सो मैनी बिल्डिंग्स। उसने कहा कि मैं भारी भरकम इमारतों से भवनों से भरी हुई खचाखच भरी हुई उस बाज़ार के अंदर मेरी मुलाकात उस डैनी केसी से हुई थी। ओके, फनीली इनफ इट वाज रियली दैट द वर्ड्स लुक्ड रियली सो मच फनी, सो मच स्ट्रेंज, इट इज़ नेवर ट्रू। सॉरी, फनीली इनफ, फनीली मीन्स आई एम सॉरी। In that, while speaking these words, Sophie wanted to make it clear that it all looked really so much funny to her because she had never expected it that she would ever be able to meet Danny Casey. It is never true. These words are spoken by Geoff. Geoff told that it could never be a truthful fact. I did too means I did meet Danny Casey. If he believed in her words or not, it depended on him. उसने कहा कि आप पर निर्भर करता है मेरी बात को मानते कि नहीं मानते, मैं कि उससे मुलाकात की है। You told that now and sorry, after hearing such kinds of words, Geoff asked his sister whether she had told about that matter to their father or not. She shook her head. When Geoff asked his sister whether she had told about her meeting with Danny Casey to father or not, so she shook her head. She denied it, saying that chastened at his unawareness that he was always the first to share her secrets. The word chastened stands for rebuked, scolded at his unawareness. Since she wanted to make him aware that she always wanted to share all the secrets of her life with him, and it was the only first person in her family with whom she always shared her secrets. I don't believe it, but when Geoff had heard it all, he told her that he did not believe it all. There I was looking at the clothes in Roy's window. Again, Sophie started speaking something about her meeting, and she told that one day it was a very luckiest day for her because when she was looking at the clothes in Roy's window stands for a particular shopping complex. When someone came and stood beside me, all of a sudden a person came very near to her and stood by the side of her, and I looked around, and who should it be but Danny Casey. And when she found that somebody had come there and stood by the side of her, so she turned her eyes all around her, and she got highly surprised to see that it was no other person but Danny Casey. It was नो अदर पर्सन बट डैनी कैशी। मैंने देखा अपने चारों तरफ निगाह घुमा कर कि मेरे पास आकर कौन खड़ा हो गया है। तो उस रॉयस विंडो वाली दुकान में जब मैं वस्त्रों को देख रही थी, वस्त्र वगैरह खरीदने के लिए देख रही थी, तो मुझे एकदम अचानक मेरे पास कोई आकर खड़ा हो गया और मैंने देखा कि कौन आ गया। तो मैंने देखा तो डैनी कैशी आ गया। डैनी कैशी मेरे पास खड़ा हो गया आकर के, तो उसको बड़ी हैरानी होती है। सच काइंड्स ऑफ स्टोरीज ओके had become an important essential part of that the girl Sophie who had not qualified at last examination at the school. Okay, better dear students, now this the part has been completed best. Now the next part will be given to you in the next lecture, and it will take I think 3 to 4 more lectures. No matter, we would like to complete the complete this part written at this page, and some part will also be taken from this page in the next lecture, and we would like to complete it within 3 to 4 more lectures. Thank you.